So hey everyone, today this is your guy. This is Smart Solve channel today. So today I'll be checking on divisions without calculators. Divisions without calculators at all. This aspect is basically for student writing aptitude tests, competitions, scholarships, jobs seekers is for them. So because those kind of situations, they don't need calculators to solve questions. So this process has been tested several times. So and it is very, very good. It is not a normal long division process at all, and it's not something I didn't get it anywhere. I didn't get it from online or textbooks. I got it through researches and reading, brainstorming, and by the grace of God, I got this process. So it's not the normal long division process. It is a new process gotten by me, by the grace of God. So divisions without calculators. That's what we are checking on today. Now, divisions is in four stages. The first stage is the stage whereby you have the numerator as decimal, something like 12.75 and the denominator is non-decimal divided by 5. The second stage is where you have the numerator as non-decimal, like we have 3, and the denominator as decimal, like the inverse of this one, something like this, 1.52. And the third one is when you have numerator as whole number, like 70, and denominator as 50. Denominator as whole number also, both are non-decimal. And the fourth stage is when you have when both are decimal. That's the fourth stage, when both are decimal. So you're something like 81.79 over 40.25 divided by 40.25. So today I'll be working on those that has this kind. Every of them has different concepts. They are not the same concept. Every of them has different concept. Working on this and this, they are not easy compared to this. This one is still easy, because anything that has decimal in mathematics gives mathematicians or students problems. Anything that has decimal, it's kind of stressful and hard to solve compared to those that don't have decimal. So let's get started. Example: divide 12.75 by 5. The same question, this. So solution, 12.75 divided by 5. What you are going to do is that you look for the multiple of the denominator that is close to the numerator. Multiple of denominator very close to numerator, and that is only what? Nothing but 10. So 10.75, that's 10 plus, you know what it remains for you to be completed, for you to make 12, that's plus what? Plus 2.75 over 5. So the next thing is that you now split it into 2. That's 10 over 5 plus 2.75 over 5. After splitting into 2, that will be 10 divided by 5, that's what? 2. Plus 2.75 divided by 5. So 2 plus, you now take this one again, 2.75 divided by 5. 2.75 divided by 5. So we cannot convert, because of this decimal, it's not possible to do easily like that. So we can convert it to a whole number, multiply by 100. So we have 275 over 5. 27 divided by 5, that's what? That's 25, that's 5. 27, that's 5, Abby. So that's 5. Remainder 2. Put 2 here, that's 25, that's 5 again. 5 and 25, that's 5. 5 and 25, that's what? That's 5. Then, so that's the answer, 55. So we now multiply by this 0.01. The reason for doing this is because I want to return the decimal back. I want to return it back. You know, I took the decimal twice. I took it to the front, so I want to return it back. I want to return it back. That's why I'm multiplying by 0.01. I want to return it back, so that it will be in this concept. It will be having decimal back. So that will be 0.55. So 2 plus 0.55, that's what? That's 2.55. That's the answer. You can try with calculator. Let me get my calculator. 12.75 divided by 5. You can see 2.55. So let's get another one. Let's solve another question. Another one, number 2. Let's say divide 40.93 divided by 8. Yeah. So I said that solution a factor of 8 closer to 40.93 rather. A factor of 8, factor of the denominator, factor of denominator closer to numerator, and that is what? That is nothing but 40. So that will be 40.93 over 8. So that will be 40.93 over 8. I'm sorry. That will be 40 plus what it remains for this to be completed. That's 0.93 plus 0.93 all over 8. So that will now be 40 over 8 plus 0.93 over 8. Then that will be 40 divided by 8 is what? That's 5 plus 0.93 divided by 8. So let's deal with this one. 0.93 divided by 8. This is not possible ordinarily, so we can multiply by 100 to bring this decimal to this side, so that it will be ordinary, it will be ordinary number, not this, it will be an integer. So that will now be 93 over 8. 93 over 8. So 93 divided by 8, 9 divided by 8, that's what? That's 1. It remains 1. 13 divided by 8, that's what? That's 1. Remain what? Remain 13 divided by 8, that's what? Remain what? Remain 5. Yeah, remain 5. Remain 5. So 5 divided by 8 is not possible, so you put 0. So you add 0 to this one. 50 divided by 8, that's what? 50 divided by 8, that's 8. 4 times 6 times 8 is 48. That's 6. So it will be reoccurring. It's a recurring decimal number. So we can just stop at this. You can stop at this. So you can just stop at the first two decimal number. So that will be, so let me stop at 1 1. Yeah. Or let me stop at 1 1. So 0 does not really matter. So that will now be, so multiply this by 0.01 again. 0.01, so to return it back to the decimal. To return it back to the, we multiply by 100, so I want to return it back. That's why I'm multiplying by 0.01, so that it will be in this form. So it will be 0.11. 0.11. So 0.11. Then now add them together. That's 5 plus 0.11. That's what? 5.11. Hmm? 5.11. So that is the answer. You can check it with calculators and see. Check it on calculator and see. The question is 40.93 divided by 8. You can see. So you can see 40.93 divided by 8 once again. As you can see, there's a mistake I made there. That's why I approximated it to be equal to 2 decimal place. So the next thing is that let me give you a work to try. Let me give you another. Let's try another one. Divide let's say 35.62 divided by 35.62 divided by, let's say 6. So the process again is 35.62 divided by 6. That's the closest factor of 6 to to 35. That's what 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 6 times 5 is what? 30. So that will be 30 plus what it remains for you to be completed. That's what? 5. For you to make 35, that's 5.62 over 6 is equal to, you now split it into 2. 30 over 6 plus 5.62 over 6. So that will be 5 plus 5.62 over 6. Again, this 5.62 over 6 is not something that is possible like that. So we can say that we can multiply it by 100. So that will be 562 over 6. So 5 divided by 6 is not, 56 divided by 6. 56 divided by 6. 6 times 10 60. 6 times 9. 6 times 10 60. 6 times 9 is what? 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 9 is 53. 6 times 9 is what? 6 times 9 is 54. Sorry. Yeah, 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. That will be, so 56. That will be 9. Remainder 2. So write 2 here. 22 divided by 6. That's 3. Because 6 times 3 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. So that's 3. Remainder what? Remainder 4. Yeah. If 4, put 0 there. 6 in 40. That's what? 6 times 6 36. So that's 6. So it will be 6 6 6 6 6. All like that. So we can let's just stop here. Stop at 93. Yeah, 6. So we multiply it by if you now multiply it by 0.01, so that will be now equal to 0. No, this one will not be there because the other parts will also be competing with this. So the best thing is to leave it in 2 decimal, in 2 numbers. Yeah. So 0.93. So 5 plus 0.93. 5 plus 0.93, that will be what? That will be 5.93. So if you now want to add these numbers there, we can now add it beside it. 666. Let's check the answer if it is correct. And it should be correct. It should be correct. 35.62 divided by 6. You can see accurate. And so viewers at home, please leave your comments. If you find this video interesting, please don't hesitate to hit the like button and share with your friends, with your family, friends, enemies, and every other person. Share with them. Share with your friends. I'll give you a work to do now. Please, in this work, don't use your calculator. Use your brain and your hand. Don't use what? Don't use calculator. So I will give you work to do. Leave the answer for me at the comment box and I will attend to the answer. You might even show your workings. Yeah, that will be better. Show your workings. So show your workings the answer and let me see the answer. So please, the question is 17.84 divided by 9. Yeah, 17.84 divided by 9. Please don't use calculator, use your brain and your hand. So again, this is Smart Solve, the guy that gives you wonderful videos on mathematics, both easy, fast process of getting question done in mathematics in exam situation like objective exam, aptitude exam, test and exams. Then also for theoretical aspect, also for normal method of solving mathematics, all the processes they are there. So I'll be coming with videos for you guys every day now. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Invite your friends, your loved ones. Thank you.